Hi, welcome to Vidya's cookbook. You can all see, think, and why they are seeing Vidya's cookbook, and suddenly one person is sitting in the chair. Today, what I am going to do is I am going to tell one short story. The story is Be Positive. Okay, so we are not going to cook anything. Just started thinking we start telling a story. So I am going to tell one short story. The story name is Think Positive. Okay, what is this story? Why I am going to tell this story, Think Positive? The reason behind this was actions. Our thoughts affect our actions. So because of that, I am going to tell one short story, how different people thinking the same thing in a different manner. Okay, now we can go to the story. What happened? One person, one famous writer was sitting in his room and he was looking very sad and he started writing few of those things. What he has written in this notebook was, the first point was, last year he has undergone some major surgery, a gallbladder surgery. So his gallbladder has been removed. After written this point, he was looking very sad. Then what happened? Few minutes he started thinking and he wrote another point. At the same year, he has reached the age of 60 and he got retired from his service. So you see, this year he's been sad like that. He started writing. Then after few minutes, he started thinking and he has wrote another point. What it was mean? Again at the same year, his beloved father was passed away. Then after few minutes, again he wrote another one point. That same year his son was involved in some accident and he was not able to write his medical examination. Like that he was written all the points. You see, this year very sad for me, all those bad things happened. Like that he has written all those things. His wife suddenly went into the room and he started looking his husband. Why he is looking very sad? What happened to this person? Normally he will not be look like this, but today he is very sad and he is writing something on the notebook. Then what happened? She suddenly saw the notebook. She has written all those points. So what happened? After a few minutes, he just went out of the room. And her wife returns again 4 points and again came into the room and she put the points what she has written to his husband near to the notebook. Okay. Now the first point what she wrote was, last year he has an gallbladder. Last year he went for a surgery and his gallbladder was removed. So what her wife was written was, for so long years he was always feeling of stomach pain and all, and now his gallbladder has removed and after that he is leading his life peacefully. So you see, now you compare the first point what he has written and what she has written. Okay. Now we can go to the second point. Second point, what the husband was written was, he was retired from the service and he returned in a very low note, basically. So her wife, what she written was, he has retired from his service, so he can start live his life on his own interest. Like that, he can read his books. Wherever he want, he can go and visit all those places, temples, whatever he want. Okay. Now you see how the people started thinking in different ways. Now let's go to the third point. Third point, what he written was, his father has expired. But the wife has written in another way, in the positive way basically. So what she was written was, at the same year her husband father passed away. So he has almost 95 years. So at the age of 95 years, without having any disease, he passed away. Because of that, he don't want to give trouble to anyone. He led his life peacefully and passed away. Okay, this is the third point she has written. Now, when go to the fourth point, what she written was, at the same year his son was having a medical examination, but due to some accident, he was not able to write that exam. However, what happened? His car was fully damaged, but his son came out from that accident and he don't have any problem, and the next year he has passed the medical examination. So you see, this thing has also a positive note. So now from this thing, So we can understand how a different intention, how the people can start thinking in different way, can lead to different thoughts and all. Okay, so wife was returned in such a way, like all those things in the positive way, husband was returned in the negative way, and she also returned. So like the last year, this year should be like God has shown mercy on me, and without having any problems, we need to live our life comfortably. So we should take all those things in a positive note, and then only we can achieve our life to a greater heights. So the story is be positive. So whenever you are having any problems, don't worry, everything will go off. So the situation is better, so you need to think positive. Okay, thanks for watching this story, and if you have any comments, please mention in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.